How to transfer money from linked bank account to Cash App. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can transfer money from linked bank to Cash App. For this, you want to open the Cash App on your device. If you don't have this app, head over to Play Store or App Store to download and install this. Then you want to make sure to sign into your account. Once you have been signed in, to transfer money from linked bank to Cash App, you first of all want to link your bank account to Cash App. If you have not done that, all you want to do is tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now scroll down and tap on linked bank. Now tap on link bank option. Now you want to go through all of this and then tap on the continue option. Then you want to select your bank account from there, enter your credentials, and link your bank account to Cash App. Once you have linked your bank account to Cash App, now you can easily transfer money from your bank to Cash App. In order to do that, tap on this icon over here. Now tap on Add Cash, then select the amount and tap on the Add option. Now you want to confirm your cash PIN and tap on the Next option. And with this, you can very easily transfer money from linked bank to Cash App. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.